Meaning of highwayman.
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 Highwayman. A highwayman is a type of thief who robs people traveling on the open road or highway. Typically, highwaymen would target wealthy individuals and hold them up at gunpoint, stealing money, jewelry, and other valuables. They were especially active in England during the 17th and 18th centuries, where they became legendary figures in popular culture and literature. Often romanticized in fiction, highwaymen were actually dangerous criminals who terrorized travelers and caused significant economic harm. Today, the term highwayman is sometimes used to describe any criminal who preys on people in transit.